All staff be advised CP is now closed for flight ops. I repeat, CP is now closed for flight ops.
Hands on 3, 8, 11, and 14. Start, please.
Getting hold of ground ops for 13 and 15 to see if they're going to make their window, but everyone else should be out there.
Stand by.
Range is hot at the start of your flight today.
Copy. Ops. Range is hot. Can I have a leaderboard check, please?
Leaderboard here.
Stand by 60 seconds. Quiet NCP. 10 o'clock flight window is now open.
2 has been cleared for check, so they could go straight into competition.
I'm showing 2, 4, and 10 online. 2 marked as unofficial loaded.
It is loaded at 112 payload weight.
2's top left.
Copy.
Yeah, 2.14 ratio for lane 2.
Eric, confirm 3 unofficial or official.
Is labeled as official.
162 pounds.
Official 2.96, lane 3. Standing by for comp run.
Visual runner should be coming off the lane 11.
3.31.
182 pounds at 3.31.
Stand by for launch.
12 will be an unloaded check.
Copy. Brad, confirm prep 1 is on 2 and 3.
Prep 1's on 2 and 3, confirmed.
Copy. 11, comp run.
Yeah, we're watching it.
Eyes on 11, starting comp run. Pending success, goes to second.
Here, 11.
Launch. Launch on 2.
Launch on T. Suit.
Prep 1.
All blows.
10 crash.
Copy crash.
Crash or hard in?
Lane 10 was reported as fixable.
Lane 3 ops, confirm comp run on 3.
Lane 12, increasing altitude.
Breach. Breach on 12. Geo front switch. Launch on 3. Prep 1 to 3. Lane 4 going cold. Can I have eyes on 11?
Lane 11's descending.
All right, coming in for landing on 11.
Dropping.
Lane 3's should be about complete transport.
Looks like 12 safely landing.
They're descending now.
Yeah, they're 40 feet.
Lane 12 grounded.
Lane 3's in last month.
Copy.
Lane 11.
Stay by 11 for landing. Comp run.
3's coming in.
Stay by.
I'll hold on
3
3.
top left. Coming
11, successful landing. Run complete. All right, Brad, I want eyes on 3 descending. Competition run. Stay by, successful landing.
That's 2 on the board in the first batch of runs. Pretty good.
All right, new third place.
We still birds in the air, lane 10.
1000 flight window is now closed.
We have a cold range or
Cold range.
for recovery and transport.